Hey everybody, Chef Pandakage with Wardens of the Aether, and I got my iPro on because I could not wait to test out the Zion Arms PW9 Mod 1. So I was able to fit in a 7 for 1300 mAh battery in here, and it kind of just like a little bit sticks out, but that's fine. I have here a PTS EPM1 magazine mag drop, and we're going to test that out. So this is going to be the Zion Arms PW9 Mod 1 Airsoft taste test. We're going to check out its FPS and performance just straight out of the box. And we're just going to get right down to it. Just like usual, we're going to do 5 rounds. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, right now, we're looking at about 392 max, 373 minimum FPS with an average of 379. So we're going to do another 5. With that, we have one outlier at 359, but max is still 392, minimum was 359 with an average of 379, so it kind of jumped up a tad. But depending on what field you're playing at, this is perfectly fine, and with its quick change spring system, you can adjust that FPS closer to what you need. Now, if you give me a minute, I'm just going to set up like 1 or 2 cans just to see. Let me check out the full auto. All right. Got an average of about right now 11.6 rounds per second, but we also might be out of BBs. 399 max, 359 minimum, average 385. Looking at all the different shots, yeah, it's shooting about high 380s, low 390s. Let me see if I got anything else. No, still completely empty. Couple of BBs fell out. That's cool. That's cool. So yeah, this thing, it's pretty sick. Let me go grab some more BBs real quick, and yeah, just gonna shoot out a can. But as you can see, the EPM mag from PTS does work, so that is a good thing. So we're back, and we're just gonna try and hit some of these cans down there. Okay. Maybe you might be able to see the cans a little bit better like that. I'll try. Alright, don't know how many rounds I put in this magazine, but god dang. Oof. Straight out of the box, like That's awesome. Like, that was just nice. Once again, about 3 BBs just falling out. I feel like that's normal. But, ooh, my gosh. So, as always call your hits, wear your eye protection. If you want to pick up a new Zion Arms Mod1 PW9, not PDW, just gotta grab yours at airsoftgi.com. They're available now, retailing normally I think $330, $350 or something like that, but it's on sale right now for $299. Go check it out. Go pick it up. You do not want to miss it. This thing is awesome. I love it. Seriously, might have to run this for BB Wars actually. All right, Wardens of the Aether. Y'all have a good one. Take care.